Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable, so I have one prepared right here, and let's start off by turning off our phone. Now the cable also needs to be plugged into your computer. So what we're gonna do is plug it in, and then immediately after plugging it in you wanna hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Galaxy, you can let go of the keys. This will then boot us into recovery mode. And that's it. In this mode, you'll need to use the volume keys to navigate through the options, as you can see, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that are accessible to us. We have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to Bootloader, which does nothing. We have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, or Cache Partition, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, Power Off, and Repair Apps. And that's basically it. So now I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it with power key, and this will now take me back to Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.